A population is the aggregate of all the elements that share some common set of characteristics and that comprise the universe for the purpose of the marketing research problem. And marketing research is carried out with the objective to gather information on parameters or characteristics of the population. Suppose, if Colgate is willing to find out the proportion or percentage of consumers who are loyal to its brand of toothpaste, then this information can be obtained either through a census or a sample. A census involves a complete enumeration of the elements of a population. A sample, on the other hand, is a subgroup of the population selected for participation in the study. The obvious constraints which favor the use of a sample are budget and time limits. Census is always costly as well as time-consuming. Additionally, a census is just unrealistic when the population is large, mostly for consumer products. But in case of industrial products, census may be feasible and also desirable since generally the population is small. There can be two types of techniques applied for sample selection: non-probability and probability sampling techniques. Non-probability sampling technique is that in which the probability of population elements to get selected in the sample is unknown, while probability sampling technique is that in which the probability of population elements to get selected in the sample is known. There can be four major sampling methods under the non-probability technique, and they are convenience sampling, judgmental sampling, quota sampling, snowball sampling, and there are another four important sampling methods under the probability technique that includes simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling,